In this video, I'll show you how to sell your crypto for cash and withdraw it directly to your card using the Binance app. First, let's open the Binance app and log into your account. On the home screen, go to Add Funds, then Buy Crypto. At the top of the screen, switch to the Sell tab. Now, choose the cryptocurrency you want to sell. Select the currency you want to receive, enter the amount, and choose card as your payment method. Make sure to read and agree to the buy and sell services terms before continuing. Next, select one of your linked cards. If you haven't added a card yet, you can link a new one right here. Once that's done, your order will begin processing shortly. Keep in mind, if this is your first time using that card on Binance, meaning it's never been used for any buy, deposit, or recurring transactions, it'll need to go through a quick verification step. Binance will authorize a $0 transaction to verify the card before you can use it for selling or withdrawals. After that, review your sell order details carefully. Read the terms and confirm everything looks right. Then tap Confirm to proceed. If you're using a credit card, just note that some card issuers may charge additional fees beyond Binance's regular order fees. It's always a good idea to check with your bank first. Also, if your withdrawal fails due to a bank issue, your funds will automatically be refunded to your account in USDC, so you can try again or use another method. Next, complete the security verification process. If it takes too long, your quoted price might expire, but don't worry, Binance will refresh it and show you the latest rate. Simply review the new quote and confirm again to continue. Once the process is complete, you'll see a message confirming that your order was successfully submitted. To check your order details anytime, go to Trade, then History, and tap Sell. And that's it. You've successfully sold your crypto and withdrawn your cash straight to your card using the Binance app.